Welcome YouTubers, this is Pasco Andres, and this video is about unboxing the Hyper Tough 2-cylinder 60-inch grass trimmer or weed eater. So I bought this at Walmart for $78 and I got it for a 2-year plan for $7, just in case if you got problem. Okay, this is how it looks. This unboxing, taking out the first shaft, all the components. This is the engine. It's a H21510 25cc Hyper Tough, and this is the cheapest you can ever go for buying at Walmart. If you guys are like me, is the handle, the manual, and the guard. So I'm gonna arm it right now. One side in, get the other side with the bolts. Use the wing nut. Okay, it comes with strings already. Okay, push it all the way in. Comes with 2 screws. Screw it in. To install this one, so you can put this anywhere you feel comfortable, like right here. Okay. It's a cool part too. Okay, you got this out. Just slide it anywhere you like right here. You see there's red line, maybe I can get next to the red line. Okay, put the bolts in, use the impact. And I got everything all fixed right now. I got the handle, I got the guard. So right now I'm just gonna add in fuel. This comes with 2-cycle engine oil mixed with 1 gallon of gas, so I'm gonna do that. So you do this, you always mix it with gas, a 2-cycle engine oil mixed with gas, so that way it's safe. So this is guys gonna do the job around my house, around the corner, the edges of the house. So it cost me $78. So I mean, that's a fair price, not too expensive, pretty cheap price. So it's better to buy if you a cheap guy like me, not buying like steel. Those are expensive, over $200, $300, $500. So this is good. So thanks.